Good morning and Assalamu alaikum to all my dear students. I welcome you all in AppSex online support program. Here is class 3. I am your teacher Miss Mehwish Noor, subject computer science, and it's Tuesday. Today is 10th August 2020. Students, your today's topic is format a paragraph and subtopic is line text space. So students, in today's class you will learn about how we give space in our text or in our lines. Let's see. Students, first of all, go here in start button. Where is start button? Here is start button. What is start button? And then write here word. Then at the top of your page here Microsoft Word is there. Click on Microsoft Word. Then your, what is this? This is your Microsoft tab is opening. Okay, what is this? This is your total Microsoft Word. In previous class you learned about alignment of text, how we give alignment to our text. So here you can see these three buttons. This is your left alignment, this is your center alignment, this is your right alignment, and this is your justify alignment. So there are different functions of alignment. Let's see in a paragraph. Students, so here you can see I write here a paragraph. If you have to select or if you want to change your paragraph, then first of all you have to select that text which you have to change or which you have to format. Okay, then how we select our text? Here press Ctrl A. When you press Ctrl A, here you can see your alt text become selected. Then use this center alignment. Then here you can see your alt text come at the center of your page. This is your left alignment. When you press on left alignment, then here you can see all your text come at the right side of your left side of your page. This is what? This is your right alignment. When you press here, then all your text come at the right side. Here you can see all your text come at the right side. And what is the function of justify? Here you can see all your lines are not properly. So when you justify your text, your all text will become in a perfect line. Here you can see justify. Here you can see all your lines are in a proper. Okay. So students, this is what about previous class, and in today's class we learn about line spacing. Okay, so what is the function of line spacing? Students, where is the function of space? Here you can see what? Line and paragraph spacing. Change the space between line of the text. So what is the function of this space button? This is line spacing button gives space between your lines. Here you can see there is no any space in your lines. So students, here you can see there is no any space in lines. Okay, so how we select? Ctrl A, press Ctrl A, your R text will be selected, and then come here at this icon, line and paragraph spacing. Press this Here you can see they give us size, how many size or how many space you give to your paragraph. If I want to give size of 1.2, here you can see your text, you will give space in your text. If we give 2.0, then here you can see 2.0 spacing are there. If you give 2.5, here 2.5. If we give 1.0, then this is your 1.0 line spacing. This is all about. Here you can see remove space after paragraph. If you want to remove space after paragraph, or you want to give space, here you can see 3-point space, 2.5, 2.0, 1.5, 1.15. Here is all about line spacing. Students, do practice at your home. What you can do, start your computer, then press start button, then go in start button and then type Microsoft Word. When you type Microsoft Word, then your Microsoft Windows is opening. When you find that your Windows is open now, then write paragraph on your Windows. Okay, when you completed your paragraph, then go and select Ctrl A to select your text, and then do practice at your home how we give space and how we align our text at the right side of our page, at the left side of our page, at the center of our page, and how to justify our text. This is very much easy. This is what all about line spacing. Students, if you have any question, you may ask. Allah Hafiz, fi amanillah.